Hope you are always healthy. Here I will explain about benefits of exercise. Sport is a planned, net, and structured physical form that involves repetitive body movement and is aimed at improving physical fitness. There are various benefits of exercise that can be felt both in the short and long term. Apart from being beneficial for physical health, exercise is also known to improve a person's quality of life. Benefits of exercise for body health. Several benefits of exercise for body health. Keeps away from various diseases. Exercising regularly can increase the body's endurance so that the body is not easily attacked by disease. When exercise, the body will move more freely. This will trigger the metabolic the metabolic process and blood circulation to become smoother. The result is that the body is healthier and stronger and less susceptible is the to disease. Makes the body firmer. Exercising makes all parts of the body move, thereby increasing flexibility. Body muscles also become more elastic and less stiff. Consider exercise is very important to support the development of their body posture. According to Kathleen, children who exercise regularly from childhood will have a straight body posture and will not bend when walking. Please stop here. I'm sorry for all my mistake. Thank you for watching. Bye.